Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wax warmers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have a quisupro melt warmer wax. This particular wax warmer is designed in such a way that it would be suitable to give as a gift to someone. You can even use it for the home decor. It can be a suitable addition to your office, bedroom, home, or maybe your living room. Depending on your preferences, you can place it where you like. You can use it with the wax tart or even the essential oils, but such items are not included, so keep that in mind. Using it would be easy for you and it would help in creating a suitable ambiance. A bulb is included, so you can even use it at night as it would give you the night light function. Moving on, at number 4, we have Gigi Multi-Purpose Hair Removal Wax Warmer Kit. If you are searching for a wax warmer kit, you can take a look at this one. It is made in the USA. It has a capacity of 14 ounces. You would be able to melt hard wax faster. The indicator light would help you with the use. Because of the see-through lid, it would be possible for you to look inside. It can help you with hassle-free waxing. The temperature control knob would let you select a suitable temperature. It has a user-friendly design and you would be able to make the most of it. Because of the compact size, it would be suitable for your use where you prefer. At number 3, we have hitur Wax Melt Warmer. This particular wax warmer appears quite modern in appearance. It would be suitable for your home decor and you can even give it as a gift to someone. You have the options to select from 3 different modes. The energy-saving design would make it suitable for your use. It offers 7 colors of lighting, a USB port for charging, and a lot more. To learn more about the relevant features and specifications of this product, you can see the details. At number 2, we have Green Life Waxing Kit Wax Warmer. If you are searching for a waxing kit, you can take a look at this one. There are different items included in the kit, such as a wax warmer. There are 5 bags of wax bean, and wood sticks, 20 pieces. Thus, it would be possible for you to make the most of it. The aluminum container is removable, and because of the convenient design, it would be possible for you to use it at the salon, at home, or maybe while you are traveling. The see-through lid would help you see inside easily. Cleaning it would be easy for you. And finally, at number 1, Home Waxing Kit. This particular home waxing kit can be a suitable addition to your life. There are different items included in the waxing kit, such as electric wax melter, jasmine wax block, and a lot more. The wax warmer in the kit is made of ABS material that's designed to be durable and heat resistant. You would be able to control the temperature using the thermostat control knob, plus, it's adjustable, so you need not worry. You can check out the details to learn more about this product. It is backed by a warranty of 1 year for the manufacturing defect of the wax warmer.